So, hi everyone. In part two, before starting, wanna be sure that you follow along with me with this shortcuts in the corner. So today we're gonna handle the shading and set up the scene. So I'm gonna create a plane and scale it, then apply the scale. As always, I will drop in a camera and keep it static for now. I like this view, so Control Alt 0. Then press and from this menu go to view and enable camera to view. Then you can adjust the view as you want. After finishing, you just disable the camera to view. I will start with the floor, adding a new material. Gonna go with the dark gray and a touch of roughness. Make the metallic one. For sure, I will give it a name floor. For me is good. Alright, for this part, I will add a new material and name it. Maybe something like base. I'm gonna do the same here, but um, for the color lighter, and for the metallic I will make it 1. I will drop the roughness way down, something like 0.15. Before we move on, let's add an HDRI. Head over the shader editor, switch to world. If you don't see the nodes, just be sure use nodes is enabled. Then I will add an environment texture from here. Search environment texture. You will find a link in the description to download the one I'm using. I will pick this one. Now let's get to the main object. Go ahead and silhouette. If you remember, we added this material in part 1 just to visualize things. I'm gonna keep it, but I will give it a touch of roughness, something like 21.21. Okay, go to edit mode and I will select this face and this face. I will insert them a little bit, not too much. Then I will give it a material. I will name it light. It will be emission material. Switch to object. Go to emission. And I will make this 20. And before we jump to the screen, I'm just gonna quickly create the materials for the rest of the parts. So I'm gonna select this piece, silhouette, and I will give it the base material and go to edit mode. And add a new material, assign the main body material to them. So assign. After that, I will select the logo and the text, solo them. And for the logo, I will add the light material, then just copy it and change the color to something you like. I will change it to orange. I will apply the same material to the text. And for the battery indicator, I will assign the light material, the original one, the blue one. Alright, now it's time to tackle the screen. Select the main body and silhouette. Hop into edit mode. Select this face. Hold Ctrl plus Shift. Select this face. That way you select the whole screen area. So everything is good, is okay. Switch to top view. Right click UV and wrap faces and pick project from view. Now you have to go to UV editor and I will scale it a little. Scale it. Okay, and just export it from here. Now I will open it using After Effects. Unfortunately, we have two problems here. The first, the UV has a kind of opacity, and for me, I don't want that. The second, the UV, it's not on the center. So I will go back to the to Blender, the file. First of all, I will select the UV, and from here, image, I will change this X and Y to 0.5 and 0.5, so it's on the center. And from here UV export, and I will change the opacity here to 1. So it's on the center and it doesn't have any kind of opacity. I will add a stroke on it. Stroke. Maybe I will make the stroke maybe 8 or 9 as you want, and from here I will change it to inside. Then I will fill it. Then I will add a shape layer, ellipse tool, add ellipse tool and fill it too with a stroke. Make the stroke 0 and scale it up. Then from layer, auto trace and OK. And with the new layer selected, go to effect, Saber. From Video Copilot, it's free. You will find a link in the description below. And from customize core, change it to layer mask, and from the mode, a blending mode, I will change it to add. So right now I will add a rectangle for the button. So I will go to layer, new shape layer. I will add a rectangle, then fill. I will play with the size and the roundness too for the corners, as you see. Then I will trace it. Then I will add Sapper to it and change the customize core to layer mask and changing the blending mode. Now I will write anything. I will write reload. I will create a solid and add Sapper to it and change customize core to text layer and pick the reload text. Change the the settings here, as you see. Right now, I will import a world map. You will find a link in the description to download it. It's free. Okay, scale it a little, and I will add CC sphere to it. Then I will change the radius. A little bit more. Then I will add fill to it to change the color. Then I will go to sphere and just pick render outside. I will duplicate this one, and for this one I will make render inside. I will make the color darker. Go back to the first one. I will play with the rotation, and before that I will change the the frames to 250. And if you want to change the numbers here, just hold Control with left click and press on the numbers. And for the first one, I will keep it 0. Okay, then I will go to a frame 250 and press N. Then I will trim it. After that, I will pick the second one, go to rotation and Alt and press on it. Pick this icon. I will link it to the first one, so both will rotate together. Right now, I will add a new shape, circle, and I will add a stroke on it. Then I will add a trim path from here. I will play with the start to make it smaller. Then I will animate offset. And you have to ease all keyframes that we created. So select both F9, and I will do the same here. So right now, after finishing, simply go to composition and pre-render. For me, I will render it MP4 from here. Okay, and pick a location here and just save it and hit save. So after rendering and after effect, it's the last step for the shading. I will go to the main body, silhouette, and go into edit mode with the screen area selected. I will go to material. I will add one new material. I will name it screen. Sorry about that. Screen. Then I will add a little bit of roughness, maybe something like 0.3. And for the metallic, a little bit. Go to shader editor, add image texture, Okay. I will change the frames to 250 and I will keep start frame 1, then go to render. Adjust the settings for rendering as you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, give me a like and subscribe. See you next part, the last one. Thank you for watching.